back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you'll stick around and hit the subscribe button. Today I have a haul. Now, I'm usually super excited when I film these videos because they're like actual unboxings and that kind of thing. But unfortunately, I have had this stuff for about a week now. Well, no, not a week. A few days. I've had this stuff for a few days and I had to open it straight away because I needed one of the things for a client that I had that day. It literally came just in time. So I'm still very excited, but I'm probably not going to be as crazy excited as I normally am, which is probably a good thing. So I'm going to go straight in and show you what I've got because there's a lot of things in this haul to show you. This haul is it's kind of a weird one because it's not from like a place. There's all sorts of different brands and different things in it, but I got this from someone on Facebook, on one of the Facebook like nail selling sites. So it's a nail haul from Facebook page. Not sure what I'm calling this video yet. You'll already know because you'll have already seen the title. So you know more than I do right now, but yeah, let's just get into it. So first up, I'm just going to pick things up as I can see them. So I have these buffing blocks. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I really love my buffing blocks. I think they're so cool. I don't understand how they work. They're just super awesome and I just love them. So I have some buffing blocks and I also have some files. These are, it doesn't say what grit they are, but they feel pretty gritty, which is good. I like my files to be super like coarse, so they file through like the acrylic and stuff quicker. And gel polish. Oh my god, gel polish is so annoying to take off. Anyways, so yeah, I have those two and then I have this 3-way buffer. This is by Millennium. And these ones just say hygiene nail file on them. So that's smart. And now I've got some more of these, which is really good because I actually needed some more. So these are just the little nail trainer nails. And I'm doing quite a lot of nail stuff. I'm doing quite a lot. Like, I think I'm going to have to start uploading 5 times a week instead of 4 times a week because I have so many videos like backed up. And I might as well get them up for you guys like as soon as I can. So yeah, if I have time to do all the editing and voiceovers and all of that, there will be 5 videos a week now. I'm just going to do Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, I think. So yeah, I've got some more of them, which is good because I was going to need to get some more of them. I've also got these as well, which these are better. If you saw my very first video where I did the Amazon unboxing, you'll see that I got one of these fingers. Now, mine wasn't like this one. This one has well, I have 4 of these. Oh, I have 4 of these. There's 4 there. 4. But I don't know how well you're going to be able to see. But this has an actual nail on it. Whereas the one that I got was really strange and it was like, it was very weird. If you've seen that video then you'll know what I mean, and you might know what I mean anyway just from seeing them. When you buy them you can like, there's these ones and then the other ones, and I just find the other ones really weird. These ones make sense because they have a nail on them. But yeah, hope someone knows what I'm talking about there. So I'm now seeing, now it's really weird because I literally have just bought this exact thing off of one of the apps. I think it might have even been Wish or something like that. I'm going to have a Joom haul coming soon because I've ordered a few bits off there. But yeah, we have some little rhinestones. I need some that are different sizes. Oh wow, we are not being able to see because of the light. But I need some in different sizes. These are all the same size. They're all very small. I haven't used really much like gluing on bling in many of my videos, in many of like my nail stuff. So I do need to try it out. I'm just scared that they're going to fall off. I think that's what I'm worried about. But yeah, I will try it. I will do so. I have these as well, which is super cute. And it's just like all these little nail stickers. I need to use some of these. Oh my god, there's crowns. Ah, I love it. There's so many of these. Like, look. There's literally too many for me to like actually go through. But I wouldn't mind doing some of, maybe encapsulating some of these somehow. Maybe like a layer of clear with a few of these stuck on and then encapsulated, because that would look, how cool would that, I think that would look really cool. I'm going to try that out. Hey. Ah. We've got all of these. Now there's quite a lot here. I think the lady that I bought these off was converting over to the gel bottle, which I don't know that much about the gel bottle. It's like a different, I think it's like just gel, but I don't do gel. Like at the moment I just do acrylic. I don't know anything about gel at all. Obviously gel polish, but like building gel and stuff, not a clue. So I think that's why she was getting rid of all of this, because we've got now loads of prep and priming stuff. So I've got Millennium nails, air dry top coat. And then I've got 2 of these nail preps by Millennium. Now these are what I already have. Well, I have this one. You might have seen me use it. So I have this. So this is the Acidless Primer. Now I do already have one of these, like the exact brand. And then I also have some nail prep. I think they just have different packaging on. I also have one. So now I have 3 of these and 3 of these. But it's fine. They'll still get used. So yay. And then we've also got a nail prep dehydrator by Nail Nails, which is super cute. And a passion fruit cuticle oil by Nail Nails as well. I might put some of this on now actually. Oh, it smells so cute. I love it. Also got this here, which is by OPI, and it's Bond Aid pH Balancing Agent. I have no idea what this is. I think it's basically a dehydrator, isn't it? Apply to natural nail plate before priming. Yeah. So it's basically just like it's just to dehydrate the nail as well. To help with the bonding. And I think this is a really cool little glass bottle, and it's pretty much full as well, which is super cool. So I've got this, which I have no idea what to do with, but I will have a play. This is a UV clear gel. The edge, so I think this is a builder gel. I don't really know the difference between hard gel and builder gel and any of the gel stuff, because like I said, I'm not learning anything about gel at the minute. Ooh. But it's about half full, and I have got a UV gel, clear gel thing that I got in the Amazon kit as well, which I have no idea what to do with. So watch out, because gel may be coming in the future, but at the moment I'm absolutely I love acrylic. I just think it's amazing how it works, and you can literally make anything. You don't just have to use it for nails. Like I see people making models and stuff, and I just think it's so much fun. So I'm now going to go into, what should I do next? Okay, so I'll go into these 3 here. So this is Millennium again. Now I don't have any Millennium monomer, and I will just say now, like, this is a disclaimer. I'm not, obviously, you guys know that I'm not professional yet. I don't know what, you know. But I will say, do not mix your core products. Don't mix your acrylic system. Just keep to the same. However, because I don't have any Millennium monomer, so I am using this with my nail monomer. I know so many people out there will be like, no! However, I will not be using this on my own nails or a client's nails. This is just for practicing on tips and the trainer hand and things like that. I will not be using this mixed with nail for any human, not even myself. So I will just say that as well. I thought these are nearly full, by the way. We've got a clear, a white, and a pink blush. And obviously I don't have that much money, so I'm trying to get little bargains and deals, which is why I'm buying from like these sites in bulk and stuff. And I thought, just for practicing, because the thing is, when I'm practicing, these products cost a lot of money, and then you're using it on just like your trainer hand to practice with, but it costs a lot of money, and I'm not going to use these on a client, so I just want to put that out there. I'm not going to be mixing acrylic systems on any human being, including myself. So now we've got that out of the way. Oh, I've got these. Oh yeah, so these are 50 gram, and they're pretty much full, all 3 of them, which is awesome. I've got these, which I think is really cool, although I don't know if they're really going to get used much. Well, hopefully they will at some point, but these are just little appointment cards, and a little like appointment card holder as well, which I think is super cute. Just basically says your next appointment and like who it's with, date, time, treatment, and all of that good stuff. So I really quite like the fact that I have that. It makes me feel a little bit professional. And I now have got some, well, quite a few powders. I'll go through these. There's not really much order. I mean, I'm not gonna like, this is going to be a super long video if I go through it in too much, like telling you all the names and everything. I'm probably going to end up doing that. So I've got these, they're all by Nail, and acrylic nail art powders. So we've got a lemon, I'm going to go through them all, aren't I? I'll go through these ones. So we've got a lemon and a yellow, which are quite similar, just a paler yellow and a brighter yellow. Then we've got mint, ooh, and pastel orange. These are all pretty much full, these ones. We've got brown and green, and we've got orange, and these are all like pretty much full. it worked out well that I've got these nail items because I'm working with a nail. That's what I'm working with at the minute anyway. And so I have got all the monomer and that for that, which is really good. These two here are nearly empty, and this is just like the blush pink and the clear, which I actually have like big tubs of these anyway. So that's not a problem anyway. It doesn't bother me in any way. Now, these are the ones that I'm actually really excited about. I don't know how old these products are or how... I mean, I'm assuming that they're still going to work absolutely fine. But, yeah. Let's hope so. So, we've got... What's this? Right, so we've got... This is an acrylic powder in white as well, which is nearly full as well, actually. I'll just show you. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of these. And these are just basically like the coloured acrylics. They're in a different packaging to the other one. We've got a mega white, which I have white. We've got red. But then we've got black as well, which is always going to come in handy. All of these like glittery ones, which I am so excited about. So like Disco Diva. I think that says Dorothy's Slippers. You can't really see because they're like, you can see the acrylic that's mixed. So these are like, these aren't just tubs of glitter. These are like acrylic glitter mixes. I've got 2 Disco Diva, which I think looks like it's going to be really, really nice. So maybe I might do a future swatch video with these. But there's just loads of all different like glitter mixed acrylic colours, and I'm so excited. I don't have any... I've got quite a few tubs of glitter, but I don't have any proper like glitter mixes with acrylic. So yeah, we've got them. I'm just trying to keep an eye on the time right now because I don't want this video to be stupidly long, but my videos are usually quite long anyway. So that's all the acrylic-y stuff. Is there anything that I've taken in the other room? I think that's it. And then we go on to the gel polishes, which I'm very excited about, the gel polishes. So this is Gelux. Now, like I say, I don't know that much about gel polish brands. I've had a look and these seem to be quite expensive ones. So we've got, these ones are the ones that are kind of nearly empty-ish. Well, actually not that much. I think one of these leaked slightly when it was in the thing. So we've got the Fast Bond, which I guess, I mean, even like the instructions has come off. But I'm not 100% sure what to do with these. I've got a Fast Bond, I've got the Clear Base and Top, which I know what to do with that one. But then there's this Easy Off Base Coat, and I don't know what that means. What does the Easy Off Base Coat mean? Because I know you can buy the stuff that you paint on your nails, so you can just peel, whatever design you do, you can peel it off. So you don't... Basically, for people like me who change your nails all the time, you can just peel it off once you've finished. And I see Simply Nailogical using things like that all the time. They're like the nail guards. But I don't think that's what this is. I think it's just a base coat, but I don't know. So there's that. Actually, that's actually got quite a lot in it. And then the Fast Bond has also got quite a lot in it as well. So I've got those 3, and let's get into the colours. I'm so excited. So this one here is one that I used on a client. There will be a video of that coming soon. I'm pretty sure this video will be up before that. And it's just like this. This is the only one that I've swatched, just because obviously I wanted to show my client it. I knew that this would be a colour that she would really like, so, and she did, so. This is called Midnight Satin. Then we've got, I think there's 2 of that one. Then I've got Blueberry Crush. Vampire Blood. Oh my god. Hawaii Hibiscus. Yeah, I've got another one of the Midnight Satin, which is pretty cool because it's an awesome colour. Blazing Orange. Black Onyx, which obviously I'm going to want a black. And I've also got a white as well, which is called Pearly White. So I'm super happy that I've got a black and a white in this collection. We've got Rose Damask. Oriental Poppy. Pink Ice. Ocean Blue. Maraschino Cherry. Pearl Stone. Rhubarb Fool. And Raspberry Sorbet. Now these all feel nearly full. Like they're not, like none of them are nearly empty. They're all like over half full at least. Probably say they're all 3/4 at least full, but yeah. I think that's everything. Like, I'm looking around, I'm like, Is there anything else that I'm forgetting? I think that's everything that I got in my order that I got from Facebook, and I'm so pleased with it. It's really going to help me out with like learning and being able to use products without worrying too much about how much, you know, I've had to spend on them and that, which is going to be perfect for when I'm, obviously for when I'm not using clients. I'm only charging clients really low fees at the moment while I'm training, but obviously, yeah, it does help towards product fees, which is awesome. So yay! So I'm really excited. I hope you guys have enjoyed this haul. I hope you're excited for me. I might do a swatch video of these because I will want to be swatching them all so that I've got them all on one of these. And obviously, the Fairy Glow one I think will have been up by now. Fairy Glow is the brand that I've kind of think I've decided I want to work with. Obviously, I've got Gelux as well, which is great. But yeah, there will be, that swatch video I think will already be up. So I'll probably do the same with them. And just so you can see them all swatched in a video. But yeah, I'm not sure about these because I like the fact that I can keep the swatches on the bottles. I think that's really cool. And I don't think it's as easy when you've got like the ring bind swatch things, like, because then you've got, you find the swatch and then you've got to go find the thing, and I don't know, like at least with the bottles you can just see it, whereas I'm not 100% sure. I might just swatch a little circle of it on top, which is what I've done with some other stuff, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this haul, guys. I have got 2 more hauls that I need to film, and they will be up. I'm thinking like a haul a week for the next few weeks, just because I don't want to throw all the hauls in at once. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining me on my little nail journey. I think we're improving. I mean, I've just got so much stuff at the moment. I want to do a salon tour because I literally have a salon in my house. And I really want to do a tour for you guys, but I'm just trying to get it a little bit more ready first. But yeah, that will probably be coming in the future. And yay! I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!